Welcome everyone to Product One's Tuesday web series. For the coming weeks, we are going to be publishing technical videos that showcases PDC solutions and some of our solutions that we provide through some of our partners. So the agenda for today, it will be firstly the introduction in terms of who we are, and we'll look at the PowerPoint presentation of Creo 4.0 Augmented Reality. We'll be doing a quick demonstration of what is AR, and we'll finish off with business benefits and questions thereafter. So who's Product One? Product One is a company that has been in existence since 1991. It's a BBBE level 2 contributor. We've got offices in Centurion and in Cape Town. We've got 45 permanent staff. We've got certified implementers, certified trainers, and support staff. So Product One is the sole reseller of PDC products in sub-Saharan Africa and certain parts of Africa. We've got more than 400 customers, and those customers, they range from small businesses to large SOEs in either in railway, power generation, you name it. So in terms of who I am Tulane Mazibuko. I'm the principal application engineer here at Product One. I'm also the education manager. What you see there is my own personal website. I am still working on this. I am going to publish this in due course. And what I do here at Product One is that I'm the subject matter expert for Creo. I do augmented reality. We offer engineering consulting to customers that want us to design their solutions or even help them with things like your value roadmaps and so forth. All right. We also offer sponsorship to qualifying academic institutions. I'm the subject matter expert in the MathCAD, our engineering calculation software, shape optimization with Solid Thinking Inspire. We do mold flow analysis through click to cast, and I'm also the certified instructor as well. What PDC did a couple of months ago is to offer what they call Transformational Journeys. These are the journeys that are going to be influenced or are influenced by what we call Industry 4.0. And what PDC is actually saying is that we're going to have to change how we do our engineering, thus being about what we call digital engineering, digital manufacturing, and digital service. Now, if we are going through the digital engineering phase, that will mean that we need to even transform how we share data and how we collaborate with our peers, partners, or even customers. So this brings us to the topic of AR. What is AR? AR stands for Augmented Reality. It is a way to visualize your model in the real world. It does this by superimposing the CAD model onto a user's view through a mobile device such as a smartphone. What you need to have the capability of creating your own augmented reality experience, firstly, you need to have a PDC user account. You need to have Creo 4.0 M10 built, M10 installed on your PC. You also need to print out your unique ThingMark. I'm going to talk about what is a ThingMark in a second. Okay, so what you get after creating an account and having your own ThingMark is that you get the ability to create 5 experiences within Creo Parametric. This is free in Creo Essentials base package. If you happen to create the 6th experience, the software will override the very first experience that you created, and so on. Okay. A ThingMark is basically a picture with all the relevant information to deliver an AR experience. So the AR experience is actually attached into that particular picture. It's like a QR code. The procedure is you open your model in Creo Parametric, and from there on, you get to put your ThingMark, you scale it up, you position it in the relevant location, And then you publish your experience. When you publish your experience, it will ask you for a username and password. And because of I'm already logged in my case, it's not going to ask me for a username and a password. Okay. After publishing the experience, you need to view this. So how do you get to view it? You print out the ThingMark just like I've actually done. You place it on a table. You take your smartphone or your tablet, and then you view your experience. How you view this experience is through a software called ThingWorks View. The software is called ThingWorks View. You can download this from the Android store or Apple iStore. It is a free software to actually download. And then as far as the demo is concerned, let's actually jump right to it. So let's take a typical scenario where I'm working with my colleagues that are dispersed around the country. So they need to actually review this design and offer their insight in terms of what they think. How people typically do something like this is they will save it either in a Dropbox, either as a step or 3D PDF if it's not a CAD user, or make them download some 3D viewer and so forth. This will present a number of challenges. First of all, the person that has to view this has to be either a CAD user or have a CAD user handy to actually help them with this content. It gets a little bit tedious. So what you do with Creo Parametric is you've got a series of tools within the Creo environment, and these tools, they allow you to do something like this. You can publish your experience, you can add your view mark, you can even share your view mark and even print it. So this is the process. I'm going to take my unique ThingMark. I can even choose the orientation of my ThingMark, and I can resize it. So that just about satisfies my requirement. Okay. Now that I've got my ThingMark, I need to generate this experience. How I generate this experience, I just say publish. I can call this experience anything. It is up to you, the user, what you want to call this. So let me actually say this is going to be today's date, 2908. Let's say robot. Okay. The next step is I have to select the actual ThingMark, which is this one here. I get to choose the quality thereof. If you happen to choose low quality, it will try and eliminate small little components, things like your bolts, nuts, rivets, if you've got any, and so forth. I'm going to say I want to retain those. I'll just choose medium quality. Of course, this one takes slightly longer than the low quality. And when I say OK, it will publish my experience. It will even prompt you, in your case, to put in your username and password. All right. So while this is still generating the experience, I'm going to take this unique ThingMark. All right. I'm going to put it on the table here. And I'm going to mirror my screen so that you get to see what I see on the tablet as well. All right. So like I said, you need what we call a ThingWorks view. So if I mirror my screen here, so this is my tablet screen now. So all that you have to do is launch your ThingWorks view. The ThingWorks view is basically this. All right. If I launch that application, I just pointed into my experience. In fact, let's rescan it so that we get to see all the other experience that I've created before this. There's robot 29 August. I just select that particular experience, and all that it does, it loads this experience. You need to have your internet connection on, and then you get the ability to resize your model and also rotate it as well. Okay. And just like that, this is what we have. So I can resize. And I can even go inside my device. I'm now on the inside. Of course, I can make this smaller if I want. I can even say I want to rotate this. All right. And that is it. That's how you generate AR experiences within Creo 4. Okay. So let's look at what this means to you and your organization. So firstly, the business benefits. You are going to have the power now to have everybody to gain, to have more consensus a lot quicker. You allow more participation through different environments or even different situations. If you're sitting in the shop floor, you don't have access to, let's say, a computer, but you've got access to your mobile phone. You can actually scan your ThingMark, you've got to see the product like that. Or a salesperson that's doing marketing or doing selling of your particular products. This is basically one of the strategies you can actually deploy. It also improves decision making, things like for looking at the product or doing design reviews. You can actually say, scan your ThingMark, you look at the particular product. And then the questions that I have for you in closing is the following. How tedious is the process to prepare and package data for distribution in your case? Do you have to put additional effort to protect IP? How often do you have a challenge to open and visualize CAD geometry? What happens if the recipient is not a CAD user? What happens then? Wouldn't it be great to be able to visualize your design in life size? If the answer is yes to any of these questions, please feel free to contact us. So if you want to find out more info, you can actually go into our website or just email me personally, or for any technical support related matters, you can actually contact our support online or via telephonically. If you need any sales information, please feel free to contact marketing@productone.com. And that's it. Thank you very much.